Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be testing out a milk blush oil, which I think might have got discontinued. This is the Milk Makeup Blush Oil. I have the color Corrie V. It comes in two other pinky shades. You get 4 mLs in a tube. Milk is of course based out of New York, and this product is made in the USA. And as you can see, it's a really interesting packaging for blush and very in line with Milk's aesthetic. The tube says it's a blend of orange peel, sunflower, and grapeseed oil fused with color pigment to create a soft and natural blush effect while hydrating the skin, which sounds amazing. It just says to dab onto your cheeks and then blend with your fingertips. Milk is cruelty-free, and I purchased this for $6.99, great price, over at Winners, where I live here in Canada. It says it's comparable at $14, which I think is underpriced. I'm sure when I was at Sephora, it was more than $20. It's no longer on the Sephora website. It's no longer on the Milk Makeup website, but you can still find it at Urban Outfitters, and they're selling it for $26 US. If you're interested, go check your Winners right away. And of course, it's dispensed using a roller ball, which they say makes for easy on-the-go touch-ups. One problem is when you go to use it, like here, if you haven't used it in a while, it might get a little chunky. I just wiped down the ball so it wasn't so chunky, so we can see, you can kind of see the product comes down the tube, and then out it comes. So it's very liquidy, very pretty though, and as you can see, it blends out really nicely. Maybe that chunky problem is part of the reason why they discontinued it. Alright, so let's get this on. I'm going to of course wear this for the next 12 hours and see how it does. I'm wearing a full face already. This color is perfect if you have a similar neutral / cool skin tone like me. I like to go back and do a little blender on the edges with my beauty blender. It really is easy to apply and blend out, and super easy to roll on. I'm gonna set everything with my Scandinavia setting spray. Alright, there we go. It's on. Let's wear this for the next 12 hours. I'm going to pop over to natural light so that you can take a look at the product. Wear it for the next 12 hours. It says it's easy for on-the-go touch-ups. Personally, I would never touch up my blush throughout the day unless like I came home from work and then I was going to an event. So I put on more blush or kind of like redid my face. So I'm going to see how this initial application lasts for the next full 12 hours. Here we go. Let's start my day. Alright guys, another day, another video. Cheeks are still looking really good. I think it maybe has faded a tiny bit, although I did like powder today, so that might have like brought it down a little bit, but it's still clearly visible. I think there's a little bit more on this side than on this side. It's like become almost more of a like sunburnt kiss look to my skin, but it just looks really natural, really pretty. I really liked it a lot. I think if Milk could find another way to package a cheek blush oil, I think this formula is perfect if you're scared of blush oils or cream blushes or anything other than a powder blush. Like, I'm greasy, you guys. It was hot today. It was like 30. I was sweating. It lasted really well. It didn't feel like super greasy or oily. I think this might be my favorite Milk product yet. Would I pay full price for it? But would I pay $6.99 for it? Absolutely. Let me know, have you seen it in your Winners or Marshalls or whatever you have near you in the clearance section? Did you get it when it first came out? How do you deal with this gross, messy packaging? And do you like the formula? Do you like the color? I want to know all the little details. So definitely leave your comments down below. I wonder if you also have any good ideas on how Milk could overcome this like weird packaging issue. I mean, they could always go the Benny Tint route with like a little nail polish dispenser. They could go the Juicy Shaker route and make it like a little cushiony sponge. Oh, wouldn't that be cute? Let me know what you guys think. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more beauty videos from me. Huge shout out to my patrons who help bring these videos to you guys. Huge thanks to you for watching. And with that, you guys, I will see you in my next beauty video. Bye.